This is a 60-second sped-up, fun human design guidance session for an OpenG Splenic Projector. It's fast, so you may have to listen a few times, or I included a hack in the description that will slow my roll and aid your comprehension. Hi, Glenn, Davidian here. So you're a 4-6 Splenic Projector. I'm going to fire off some insights here, given our brief time together. Make sure you always pay attention to where you are and scram as soon as you sense feel the vibe is off in your environment. Never adjust to it, even though you very well can, because doing so changes your trajectory in incorrect ways. Make sure you're spending your time with people who care about what you have to say and recognize you for what you bring to the table. Don't waste time trying to convince those who do not already see your worth. Having Splenic authority means that you have sensors all over your body, all over your field that are warning you in the moment, in the now, when anything physically unhealthy is being presented to you or in your midst, akin to a spidey sense. Ignore it, and chances are you'll meet a bitter end, or somewhere on that continuum. Do not volunteer your energy, even though it makes you feel good to do so in the moment. When the time comes to actually needing to show up for what you volunteered for, it'll feel like torture. Do your best to avoid making commitments whenever possible. Just say you'll do your best. You're a seeker and a storyteller who has worn many hats this lifetime. You may carry around a persona or two that others recognize you as, but haven't been you in some time. Maybe you maintain certain personas out of convenience. That always seeking to find yourself is a quirk of your OpenG Center. Do not torture yourself by seeking a final destination. You're here to experience it all as long as it lasts before the new thing comes. That new thing, though, should be based on your strategy and authority and not what you think or what tickles your fancy at the time, as your fancy can be hijacked by the company you keep. That's why it's so important to always be aware of your surroundings and get out of dodge as soon as you get that hit that you're in the wrong neck of the woods. One last thing, try to ease up on reevaluating your decisions when your spleen speaks. Your mind will frequently yeah, but you. Yeah, but if you do that, this will happen. Yeah, but if you don't do that, this will happen. Your spleen knows best. But remember, your strategy comes first. Hope this helps you, Glenn, in whatever way it does or will. Good journey.